out on a quest.
This is a bee, probably. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a national alert, severe weather, or local emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the lower Hudson Valley area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Corner is going to adjust and get full contact area on those airbags.